Direct replacement. This interior door pull handle is designed to match the fit, appearance and function of the original handle on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This handle is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Put what side door it fits in. It fits on the passenger side only. Holes don't line up for the driver side door.